Hello everybody and welcome to another video. This is one of the Einsteins that I bought recently. I got two Einsteins, a Spectrum, an interface one, books, manuals, cassettes, discs, off a nice lady who contacted me through the website at www.mikesretrotech.co.uk to say that she was unfortunately clearing the loft out after her husband had passed away. And I made her an offer because I didn't really want to take the mick and ask her for them for free because she was going to take them to the tip. So I offered her some money, she accepted, and then she brought them round to me and I paid her for the fuel as well. So this is one of the Einsteins. It's not bad. It's a bit grubby, it needs a clean, which I'll be doing in a later video. There are some little marks on it there, and it's a bit yellowed around the side. There's the other Einstein in a box. This one apparently doesn't work. Apparently it blew up, she said, when she turned it on and tested it. So that's a thumbs down. But I will be keeping the box for myself because my Einstein doesn't have a box. And then I will be refurbing both of these and selling them on eBay. So this one comes with, or it came with, an 80 column card, as you can see there. So I'm about to test it now on the big TV in the games room. There's me. So if I turn this on here now, we can see that yes, it does actually work. And there is the prompt for the 80 columns. So if I do a DIR on there, as you can see, there are loads of programs on it. And unfortunately, it doesn't look as though there's an actual basic interpreter. I think what he's got there, as her husband had this as his drive B, maybe. Right, okay, so this is drive 0, and as you can see, there are two drives. So 1 colon yeah, looks like that drive works. The opposite side. Yeah, and the other has it. Oh, it's got tutors on it. Oh, look at that. Amazing. Right, so I will make a copy of that disc, I think, and that will be uploaded to the Einstein forums and the user group. So let's see what's on. See if, oh no, shouldn't have done that, should I? There you go, I forgot to make that 0. Let's make sure the drive reads both of the, it does. Now that's interesting. So here, as you can see, the light is here. Yeah, so red for side B. Green for side A. Okay. So the second drive, I think, is an aftermarket one, because if you see here, there's nothing there, it's in the top corner. Oh, I've done it again. Silly me. I've got to make sure there's something in here before I change the drive. So 1, there we go. So as you can see on there, that's what I meant to do. So there we go. So side A is red. Yeah, as is side B on these, I think. I don't think. Oh no, you see. So side B on this one is green. See? So just a bit of a different drive, but still the same. Obviously 3-inch TIAC probably. So this goes to show that the Einstein is working, and there's really not much I need to do with this. Turn it off. As I said before, it's got a bit of yellow in there, so I might retrobrite it, I'm not sure yet. But this is serial number. Where are we? Can you see that? 34497. So it's a fairly recent Einstein, and it's in pretty good nick. One thing I have noticed though is underneath it, there's yeah, that, and it comes from underneath the machine. Now I have taken this apart, and it looks like this is the power for the two drives is a split from one. So normally there's two power connectors inside, and you have one for one drive and one for the other. But it looks like this chap, when he used this, he split it so that one power cable went to one power, and then this power in here went down to this as well. So he's powered an external drive with it, which I don't know. That wasn't available, so I honestly don't know. It could well be that yeah, that she finds something else and lets me know. I don't know. I've not spoken to her for a while though yet, so I'm assuming she's just busy. But anyway, but this was just a very quick overview of one of the Einsteins that I've bought. So this will be refurbished properly. Make sure it's all cleaned up. Keyboards will be retrobrited. Case will be retrobrited, and then this will be offered for sale on eBay because these are too new for me. I want to collect really old machines. You know, like the low hundreds or 100 or less, and I've not found any of those as yet. But it goes to show that I am right when I say that there's about 35,000 of these machines still around. This is like the upper limit. So, but there you go. Anyway, I hope you found this interesting. A working Tatung Einstein. In the next video, I'll have a look at the non-working one and see what's wrong with it. I think it's a power supply issue by the sounds of things, and we'll try and fix that on camera. But anyway, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Click the bell icon to get notifications when I upload more videos. Give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down and leave me a comment. Again, do you have an Einstein? Have you got it working? Have you got one that you want to sell? Not only in the UK, of course. Drop me a line on the email for the YouTube channel or via www.mikesretrotech.co.uk. And we'll see whether or not we can come to a decent agreement. They need to be saved, these machines, because they are classics, and there really isn't that many of them around still. But there we go. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay safe, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.